In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play with friends in Genshin Impact Mobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, make sure to reach Adventure Rank 16, as the co-op feature or the friends list feature is only available after you reach AR 16. So, once you properly reach that adventurer rank, you can click the Paimon head icon at the top left corner of the screen to open up the menu. The first thing you should do is copy your UID. This is the ID that your friends will be using to add and contact you. So, go over to the Friends tab and either send that user ID to your friends, or you can input their user ID over here. Regardless, just paste the UID over here, select search. Of course, this is my user ID, so this won't work, so I'll just change one of the numbers to demonstrate this. So let's say this is the person I want to add. All I would have to do is select Add Friend from the bottom over here, and they would receive a friend request that they can accept through this tab, and afterwards they will be listed over at this list. After you add them, you can simply message them or click on their icons to request to join their world if you both are on the same adventurer rank. I hope I was able to help you on how to play with friends in Genshin Impact Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.